How to make a logo transparent on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your iPhone. Once the app is open, tap on the search bar, type in Remove BG, and then select the first search result. This will take you directly to the remove.bg website. On the homepage, tap on Upload Image and from the options, tap on Photo Library to access your saved images. Now, browse through your gallery, find the logo you want to edit, and tap on it to select and upload it. The website will automatically process the image and remove the background. You will now see your logo with a transparent background. Once it's done, tap on the Download button at the bottom. From here, tap on the Free button to save the image. The share sheet will appear. Scroll down the list of options and tap on Save Image. Now, go back to your home screen and open the Photos application. Open the image you just saved. You will see the logo on a black background, which confirms that it is transparent. Following these steps, you can easily make a logo transparent on an iPhone.